As you guys can see, the drop kit just got here, so should be at a 4.6 by this weekend or the next video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so right here I believe we have the C-notch. Pretty nice, black. Welds look pretty good. We got the shock extenders with the bolts and stuff. The other C-notch. Some more bolts. So I'm pretty sure these are for the C-notch. Some more bolts. And right here, I believe this is the flip kit plates. Same for the other side. The saddles that go on top of the flip kit. And then here we just got the U-bolts. Looking almost used, to be honest. And some more bolts with the new bump stops. The top of the flip kit saddle. That's gonna be the back, and then let's get unbox the spindles and springs now. All right, here we have the next box. I think these are just the 2-inch springs. With the little, if anything, you know, one day they'll give me a sponsor maybe. Here it is. I believe it's a 2-inch drop spindle. Alright guys, today we're gonna be dropping the OBS. We're gonna be doing a 4.6 drop on it. We're probably gonna start with the flip kit first, and then do the front. Right now we got it all jacked up. We got the frame jacked up, and the diff. We're about to jack up the diff. We got both stock flip kits, you could say, off. So now we're just gonna loosen up the leaf springs on both sides, flip it underneath, and start putting on all the flip kit plates and the extensions. Here we have the flip kit and the shock extenders. We dropped the diff a little down, and we disconnected the leaf springs on both sides. So now what we're gonna basically do is why they call it a flip kit is we're gonna put this on the bottom, and then we put the plate, and that basically makes it a flip kit. So your diff will be on top, and that'll give you the flip kit usually gives you 6 inches, and then we're gonna cut off the bump stops. And from there, after that, we're gonna do the same thing on that side, and we should be done. All right guys, we got everything basically flipped, as you can see. So we just need to put the flip kit on into here, and we'll pretty much be done. And then throw on the shock extender, everything, and just bolt everything back up, and do the same thing over there, and she'll be done. We're gonna throw this leaf spring back under the diff. Alright guys, there you go. Got the whole flip kit installed. Now we're just gonna throw on the shock extenders, connect the shocks, and we'll be ready to go. Yeah. Oh shit. eso también. What happened to the other one?
Oh, it's recorded too. Just so you know.
Thunder hangers.
You know that mini that Chase has? Did he drop it, bro?
There you guys have it. That's basically the full flip kit install. You throw the leaf springs underneath the diff, and then the saddle and the top plate, and then you bolt it down, tighten it down, throw the flip kit underneath, and you're good to go. And then you just throw on the shock extender, which we'll do right now. And there you have it, a 6-inch drop. And when later we'll be taking it to get the C-notch and everything once we finish up the front. And that's it, 4-6 drop. Alright guys, there you have it. Got it all installed. Flip kit, shock extenders, new shocks will be coming in once we do the C-notch. And then same thing on the other side. That bumper I put on. Flip kit, shock extenders, and then gonna do the C-notch soon after we do the front. Shout out to my boy Thomas for letting me use it, his driveway. And then here we have my boy Abraham's truck, 611 drop, and my boy Tommy's truck, 4-6 drop. So boop. And the OBS 4-6 drop. Front's gonna come soon. Alright, you can see we took off all the jack stands. We're about to lower it, but that looks pretty low already. Alright guys, there you go. That's with the flip kit. Sitting pretty low. I like it though. Looks clean. Even with the front still not dropped. Doesn't look too bad. Today we're going to be doing the front, which is going to be spindles and springs. So we got the 2-inch springs right here, and the spindles are in that box. Basically we're just going to unbolt the tie rods, take apart the whole, basically everything, and just get to it. On this side we got it all almost taken apart. We just got to take off the spindle, and then we'll install the lowering springs, and we'll be done on this side. Alright, we got the driver's side spindle off. And now we're just gonna drop the jack and then take out the spring and throw the new ones in. Install the spring, so now we're gonna install the shock and then the spin. We have this 2-inch spring installed, the 2-inch spindle, and the tie rods. We're just finishing up that side and then put the wheel on this side, and I think we'll be done. There you guys go. 4-6 drop on some 15-inch steelies.